If you have heard of sun tanning to get a deep brown look and remember the 60s and 70s, then you must be interested in seeing the old tan adverts. These old photographs reflect a period of past history that conjures up emotions and memories from the past. The 60s and 70s were the golden age of the tan, when women lathered on Crisco and baby oil to get that deep baked look. Sunblock or sunscreen was virtually non-existent, and SPF numbers hovered around 2, 4, and 8. As I spray my kids with SPF 50, I can't help but reflect on how times have changed. Back in the 70s, the goal was to get as brown as your skin would permit. Today, kids are not even allowed to play outside without sunblock. But I'm a true believer that brown is beautiful. Moderation is a pretty good idea to have velvety soft skin, but as sunlight is the direct cause of nearly all living organisms on Earth, you might want to catch a little. The most exciting part is still ahead, so let's immerse ourselves in the images and reminisce about that era. The advertisements from the golden age of the tan show the cultural transformation, the desire to be tanned, and the obsession with sunbathing. These advertisements were designed to sell the dream of the perfect tan. So, you can keep your tan spray, which makes you look like you just rubbed powdered tang all over your body. The video will take you through the tan advertisements of Bain de Soleil, Tanfastic, and Sudden Tan. Let's savor history through these photos as we journey together.